how to add music bot to Discord server. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Discord into our browser or through the app. Now what we're going to do next is to just choose the server wherein we want to add the music bot. So just click this. Let's say for example, this is where we want to add the music bot. Now what we're going to do next is to click this part right here. So it's the name of your server, and then just click that and then go here on the app directory. Once you do that, you will be redirected right here. Now on the search bar, which is right here on the top right corner, search for Greenbot and then click enter. And then once you search for that, this bot will show right here. So choose this Greenbot right here. So click that, and then once you do that, click add up. Once you click that, make sure that you click the add to server and then choose the server wherein we want to add the music bot to, and then click continue. Once you do that, make sure that you have enabled all of the permissions that is needed in order for Greenbot to play music, and then click authorize. And then after that, let's just verify that we are a human and we are now good to go. So click this go to our server. And then as you can see, we now have added Greenbot into our server. And then the next thing that we need to do if you want to try it is to just go here on one of the voice channels of your server. So let's say for example right here. And then on this part, just type /play and then click this. And then just put the music that you want to play. So let's say for example, we want to play That Is What I Like by Bruno Mars. And then all you have to do is to click enter. And then as you can see, we are now playing That Is What I Like by Bruno Mars. So that is basically it. That is how to add music bot to Discord server.